Breaking news. Blunderberg's Big Chill. I'm Neil Ostrich, your beak on the very frigid street. Things are getting chilly as it appears a giant robotic refrigerator is turning Blunderberg into an iceberg. Things that are usually warm are suddenly becoming quite cold. And things that are usually cold are becoming totally frozen. And if that wasn't enough, this robot also tells jokes.
What did one popsicle say to the other popsicle?
What?
Ice to meet you. Ha, ha, ha.
He really landed that joke. And that ice cube. What can't this robot do?
A few too many times. Oh, I guess my Fridgie had a bit of a growth spurt.
Nice work, Mrs. Coleslaw. You found a mistake in the design we didn't test for.
If I can get close enough, well, I can turn off his power. Launching Clark Copter now! Come on, Copter Claws!
How do you get a squirrel to like you?
How?
Act like a nut. Ha, ha, ha.
Peanuts! Wow! I couldn't get close enough, Chico. He's just too funny.
Okay, Fix-It Force. We gotta stop this robot. Whip out the umbrella, because it's time for a brainstorm. Okay, what do we got, people?
Glue cannon.
Not sticky enough.
Trippy rope.
Not trippy enough. It looks like it's time for the Jaws of Steel. What happened to the Jaws of Steel?
We replaced it with a glitter horn. Remember? My poor Fridgie boo-boo. This little magnet is all I have left of him.
What do we do, Chico?
Monkey with a tool belt.
The banana phone!
Chico Bon Bon, you got a problem? We can solve them.